Hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Corey Hennessy. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe. I run a real estate marketing agency and I teach people how to use GoHighLevel and market for real estate overall. So if you're interested in any of those, make sure to subscribe. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at opportunities in HighLevel and all of the new customization options to kind of style them and make them a lot more functional. This is a feature that I've been looking for a long time. If you manage a sales team or if you have appointment setters or VAs, this makes your pipelines look a lot cleaner. So we're in a demo account right now. We're in our demo account that I use for all of the videos. But if we go into the pipelines, we can actually see that the new pipeline creator is a lot different. The way you name it, the way you add stages is new. And this is something new that I'm pretty happy with. It's the display colors or display options of the pipelines themselves. So if we set up one that is, let's say, real estate pipeline, instead, now you can do dots. So you can actually color each stage. So if you have, for example, red up until green as a sale, you can now do that. You can even do a background tint. So the background of the stages will be lit up. So for now, we will just stick with the stage name. Let's start with something like yellow. Then it's going to go kind of like a teal color if they've been contacted. Proposal sent, we'll set to blue. Closed, we'll do green, but we'll do closed one. If we want to add a new stage, we just click the add button. We'll do closed, lost. Let's add another stage. We'll say LTN, which is long term nurture, is what I like to call it. That's in our Lead to Deal Academy, our school group, which is in the link down below. If you want to join, make sure to join. It's completely free. So we have these stages. Let's do closed, lost as red, and let's do long term nurture as purple. So we have the stage names. We have a new pipeline. We're going to hit create. Now we have our pipelines added. We can go back to the opportunities. Now, if I click the drop down, we can see this is the basic one. We can see the basic layout of this one. But now if we go to our real estate one, it's a lot nicer. We have the color coded ones. We have all of the different options in here. We can add an opportunity. Let's add a demo. So let's just use my name. We'll hit save. Now that should load in. We have it here. If we want to add or edit these pipelines stages, we can actually just click into the opportunity itself. It's actually up here in the manage fields. We can then go down and remove some of these like lost reason, and you can add any of your details in here. So I like to add when the lead was created, hit confirm. Now we can see the date it was created on. You can also put in the tags up here. You can add more tags into the actual uh, high level opportunity itself. So you'll have the opportunity to show the tags on here. The tags are in this easy to access panel. So I like to leave it there. But in here, you can actually customize how the tags work. So how the actual kind of fields layout is. So how the field layout is overall in the opportunities. So to do that, we'll simply go to the manage fields. Again, I think it's in the compact. If we go down, it might be in the pipelines. Let's click edit again. Now, if we go to the stages, we can actually change the smart tags in here. So now if we choose, let's do new lead. So new lead, we're going to pick pink. Now, this will be a smart tag, so it's automatically tagging the leads. If we hit apply to all, add, we'll just hit save. Okay, now we have this new lead. It's pink. It's a tag. Now, if we go back to the opportunities, you'll see now we have these smart tags enabled. So the new lead is showing up on the actual opportunity. And this is really good to keep track of leads, and the tag will be applied in a smart way or a smart way using like automation. So this allows you to keep track of leads that maybe are falling through the cracks. If we go back into the smart tags, we'll try add one more. If we go to, we should be able to click. Also, it won't let me use a pre-made one, but we'll do pre-built. There we go. Let's go high value. So if the deal is above $10,000 or $10,000, we'll hit apply to all. Let's add that one. The opportunity value is more than 10. Let's hit another one. We'll go pre-built. We will change from high value to hot deal. High value deals added this week with a value of over $5,000. So when you hit add rule, you can obviously change the amount, you can edit all of the fields. But this means now when we go back to the opportunities, now you'll see Corey Hennessy, me, the value is zero. So it's not going to use the tag. If I change the value to $20,000, for example, and we hit update, now that smart tag should be added. So once it updates, we see it's high value, it's a new lead, and it's a hot deal because it's high value because it's above 10,000. That's what we set. It's also a hot deal because it's new and it's above $5,000. So this will allow you to really optimize your pipelines. And as I said, this is a really good feature for sales teams keeping track of leads. And if you have a lot of volume, trying to keep track of that much leads, especially even for me and my agency with our appointment setter team, this has made it much easier to keep track of just visually how the pipeline is working, how the opportunities are working, and overall how your dashboard is flowing when it comes to the sales process. So, hopefully, you did enjoy this quick tutorial. If you did, make sure you do subscribe. If you are in real estate, make sure to check out my links down below. I run an agency that works with realtors, brokerages, investors, and I have a free Skool group for teaching people marketing and doing one to one calls. So, make sure you check them out. If not, make sure to subscribe and check out all the rest of the videos. I look forward to making the next one, and I will see you in the next one.